Hello, everyone. Thank you for listening to my book reading. Today, we are going to read The Broken Ornament by Tony DiTerlizzi. Jack wanted this to be the best Christmas ever. I want more decorations, he said. That way Santa will see our house first. His father laughed. Well, you've certainly got that Christmas spirit. But it wasn't enough. Something was missing for Jack. Let's get a bigger tree, he said. This tree is just fine, said his mother. But Santa needs more room underneath to leave us more presents, said Jack. It was Christmas Eve. The house was all decorated, the cookies were baked, and the tree had been decorated. Yet Jack still felt like something was missing. He ran into the room holding a dusty old box. Look, I found more ornaments. His father sighed. I think we're finished decorating. Jack opened the box. A lone ornament lay nestled inside. Not that one, his mother said. But Jack didn't listen. The ornament hit the floor, shattering into a million glittery pieces. Jack Michael, look what you've done. It's just a junky old ornament, Jack said. We'll get another one. No, we can't, his mother said as she ran upstairs. Jack's father grabbed a box of tissues and followed her upstairs. Jack knelt down, inspecting the shards. It was only an accident, he said. In a swirl of shimmering frost, a tiny figure formed. Are you my fairy godmother? Jack said. A bubbly voice replied, Godmother? Oh no, they don't trust me with a wand. Call me Tinsel. So, do you grant wishes? Jack leaned in close. What is it that you wish for? Tinsel said. A smile curved in the corner of her mouth like a candy cane. I want the best Christmas ever, Jack said. Well, then let's deck these halls. Tinsel tossed a handful of glitter up into the air. Each fleck became a fluffy flake of snow. She shook a sprig of mistletoe and its pearl berries dropped to the floor. From each berry, an enormous Christmas tree burst through the floorboards. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's crazy. Oh my goodness, look at all these trees, and they're all covered in snow. Tinsel tapped her tinkly bells. The front door flew open. A trio of caroling elves paraded inside, followed by a herd of reindeer, an army of nutcrackers, and a rowdy bunch of snowmen. More, more, Jack cheered. Oh my gosh, look at all of this. It's crazy. These snowmen are throwing snowballs, and Jack's throwing snowballs at the nutcracker, and they're throwing them back. And oh my goodness, that is so crazy. Is this merry enough? Tinsel said. Jack's house was the most Christmassy in the whole town, probably even the whole world, but somehow something was still missing. A shiny fragment caught Jack's eye. Tinsel, can you get my mom a new ornament? No can do, Tinsel said. I can give you every ornament in the whole North Pole, but it won't replace the one you broke. Why not? Asked Jack. Tinsel fluttered near a gingerbread house and it began to glow from within. Take a look, Sugar Plum. Jack peered through the frosting frame window to see a little girl hanging the ornament he had broken. When she was young, your mother's favorite holiday tradition was decorating the tree with her grandma, Tinsel said. Jack could hear his great-grandmother's voice. I've had these since I was your age. She handed over the box of ornaments. Now they're yours. That was great-grandma's ornament, and I broke it. Jack looked at all the things the fairy had brought. Somehow it was too much, and yet not enough. I wanted this to be the best Christmas ever, and now it's the worst. Can you fix it, Tinsel? There's only one person who can make that kind of Christmas magic. Santa? Asked Jack. Nope, you. Tinsel tweaked her nose. You silly reindeer. Like a swoosh of the north wind, an idea rushed right into Jack's head. He grabbed pencils, paint, and paper, and he set off to work. Jack heard his parents' footsteps on the stairs. In the blink of an eye, Tinsel's winter wonderland melted away. Time for bed, Jack. His mother's voice was soft. Santa will be here soon. Wait, Mom. I have something for you, Jack said. I'm sorry I broke your ornament. His mother opened her gift. Jack, what's this? It's your grandma giving you ornaments. Jack's mother looked closely. But how did you know? Christmas magic, Jack said with a shrug. Oh, Jack, I love it. His mother hung the ornament at the very top of the tree. Jack's heart felt so big that no amount of wrapping paper could even hide it. Finally, it was the best Christmas ever. I think everybody else thinks so too.